What's up, y'all? It's Daniel, your Shoemmelier, and welcome to round 3 of the face-off mask-off. We've talked about Adidas twice now, both when talking about the black and the bluebird masks, and today we're going to talk about a mask made by a different sneaker company. It was suggested. I'm glad you brought it to my attention, so we're going to talk about today the New Balance Face Mask V3 3-pack. This is currently sold out on the New Balance site. It retails for $24.99 US American dollars, and you get 3 of them. For comparison, Adidas is selling both their black and bluebird models of their face covers, 3 for $16 US American, regardless of size. As you saw earlier, this comes in a plastic bag, and it basically has a cardboard cover for the front and the back. It shows you the 3 masks. Now, the first thing I noticed about this mask is that it is way darker gray than what the pictures make you believe on the website. When you get them, they're pretty closed up, but that's because you have that nose clip right there. So it opens up and gives you a little bit more stability and firmness so that it'll morph, mesh, whatever to your nose when you put it on. Like the Adidas masks, you can wash this on cold and tumble dry on low, though typically when I wash my face masks, I do let them air dry, just to avoid any possibility of shrinkage. And if you're wondering what this is made of, it's some combination of polyester, suede, spandex, and then string in your nose clip, which is a little bit harder on the inside. With all the nuts and bolts out of the way, I'm going to show you how the New Balance mask looks on face and compare it to both of the Adidas, as well as your standard blue mask that you probably see everywhere you go if people are being smart and socially isolating and being respectful by wearing masks. Now, when it comes to fit, I did order a medium. It says medium here on the bag. There doesn't seem to be any options because, well, it's sold out. I will say that this medium seems to fit closer to the bluebird version of the Adidas mask, which I have said is a little bit tighter than the black version of the mask. Also, this nose clip is really secure. It fits very snugly and pushes it against my nose. My nose almost feels a little bit constricted. In fact, I think I would probably loosen it just a little bit and not make it as tight as I would with the nose clips on this mask. Also, it could be because these are brand new, but this gives off an interesting smell versus the other ones. It's not bad. It's definitely close to that chemical glue smell that you get when you get new shoes, but it's not like any pair of shoes I'm used to. It's probably just because I'm inhaling polyester, spandex, suede, etc. I will say again that this fits in between what the black and the blue mask do with Adidas, because the black is a little looser than the blue mask. Finally, when it comes to looks, well, sometimes we're just wearing masks because we want to stay safe and we may not be concerned with looks. Other times you might be wearing a cool New Balance shirt, New Balance shoes, and you don't want to cross brand. So in that case, go for it. I will say, oh man, I can breathe fine. It is just a little bit harder, I feel, to breathe in this than it was in a normal blue mask or the Adidas Bluebird in black. That's not to say you won't have the same trouble. You could breathe just fine in these, I don't know. But I think for me, at least in the summertime, I'm not sure I would wear these masks outside, only because I feel like these would be hotter on my face than the Adidas masks or your standard blue mask. For those wondering, this is what it looks like inside the mask. It's very industrial. It's very sterile. Got it at Home Depot, got it at Lowe's. And in case you couldn't see it before, there is your New Balance branding, very light, very faint, not as dark or obvious as it is on the Adidas masks. This is definitely the most boring of the two Adidas masks in this one. I have ordered the Under Armour and I don't have the Nike ones yet. I'm interested in trying them out. I will say though, this doesn't allow a filter, at least it doesn't have a filter pocket. And I do feel this is the thickest breathing mask between this and the Adidas, so maybe this is quote unquote safer. I don't know. I'm not a scientist. I'm not an epidemiologist. I'm just a guy who likes shoes and thinks masks are really appropriate right now and look pretty cool sometimes. I will say, however, I'm not really sure I'm gonna wear these masks too much, other than when my favorite masks are either out or they're being washed and dried. Take a moment, let me know in the comments down below what you think about these New Balance masks, especially when you compare them to maybe the Adidas masks, to your standard blue masks, or maybe the Nike masks, etc. Did you order them? How do you feel wearing them? Can you breathe fine? And is there a smell? Can you describe it better than I can? Possibly, I'm not a smellologist. That's a thing, right? Anyway, to all of you out there, wherever you are, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and just chill till the next episode.